Hi, and welcome back to Learn Brizy Cloud. This is JP here, and we are moving along very nicely in our starter kit series for Learn Brizy Cloud. Let's look at a few more things before we hop on over to Brizy Cloud Pro. That can be done in free. And one of them is import and export of saved blocks. And I showed you earlier global blocks as well as saved blocks. And let's talk a little bit more again about saved blocks and the whole purpose behind a saved block. I want to just go to the home page. To navigate to the home page within the builder, go to the CMS area. Under pages, go to home and select here on edit. And this will take us to the home page so that we are all on the same page. Sometimes you create a block that you're so impressed with that you can definitely see yourself using it again in the future. And that's why you will want to save a block. It could also be that you've created a certain layout of a block that you want to repeat on other pages of your site. And again, that is why you're going to create and save that block. The other option also is you will create maybe other websites and then you want to use that block again. So a save block is not only related to this website, it can be used within the workspace. And that means you can use it on all the other projects in that workspace. Let's take this block here and say I want to use this one again in the future. I've put in a lot of hard work designing it. Well, Brizy has. And now I want to make sure that in the future, I can simply use it again on another page or on another website. Go to the block and you click here on save and now it has been saved. Right, so let's go down, add a new block, go to saved, and you will see the thumbnail appears over here. I can use this now again anywhere on my site. So if I close out and I choose a different page and we choose about, edit my about page, I can bring in that block. This is a saved block. The difference between this and a global block is that if I change anything in one, it will not update the other. So add a new one, go to saved, click here, and there it drops it in again. If I make changes here now, like I changed the text, our services include, and I save it, update, we go preview it, it will only change this block because it's not a global block. Global blocks are connected, it updates. This is only on the about page block. So if I scroll down, you will see it says our services include. But if I go to the home page, you will see that it is still the original one that we had saved and worked from. Come on, load for us. Things are slow this morning. Services we specialize in. You can see, and that's kind of the idea. But what is nice about saved blocks is that you can export them, you can share them with other people, and you can also import from other people. And how do we do that? You have to go into the manager. So click here on add a new block and then go to the save blocks, hover over it, and you will see the little arrow downwards. That is going to export this block for you. So I'll export it and it will download it. Okay, nice. I will say here, which one is this? Show in folder. And there we see it's in my downloads folder. I'll change this name and I'll call it, let's say we call this one download block 1, just for our own reference, right? And then we can close it. Let's also close this one, delete it. And now, under saved, let's delete this block here. Great, so now it's empty. We don't have anything here. You take that zip file, you email it to your friend, and then your friend comes and says, add a new block, go to saved, and then click here at the bottom on import new block. Take the zip file you sent it, open, and there you go. And that's how you can import and export blocks. This can be done with saved blocks only, not blocks, and also not global blocks. So if you want to export a global block, first you have to go and save it, export it, upload it, and then make it a global block in the new site that you have worked in.